Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the Faith Gang. And if you're not new, hey Faith Gang, I'm glad y'all came back to watch my video. So by the title you guys see in today's video, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different today. I'm going to be doing a holiday themed video. I'm going to be making cupcakes for Thanksgiving. And I just wanted to take you guys along my process of how I make my cupcakes. And before we get into the video, don't forget to follow me on my main Instagram page. I'm going to have it down below and in my description box down below so you guys can follow me. And I'm also going to have my business Instagram on the screen as well as in my description box down below. And before we get into this video, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. And before we get into today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can join the Faith Gang. And don't forget to hit that post notification button that's right next to the subscription button so you can get alerted every time I post another video. So that being said, let's get into the video. Alright you guys, so the first time I actually recorded this video, I accidentally deleted the footage. So this is actually my second time recording this video. But I started out with using the Betty Crocker Super Moist Yellow Cake Batter. And then I used a medium-sized metal bowl to pour the cake batter into. And I actually used the full bag of cake mix to make my cupcakes. Once you have your cake mix in the bowl, you want to make sure that you have all your ingredients ready to add to the batter. So you want to make sure that you have 1.5 cups of vegetable oil, 1 cup of water, and 3 eggs. And as you all can see, the eggs that I started with, I actually mixed them up before I poured it into the bowl. And this was actually my first time doing it that way. So I didn't really think that it messed up the cupcakes. But as you see now, I'm adding the water to the cake batter. And then I add my eggs. And after I added all of my eggs into the cake batter mix, I then added almost more than half of the oil. I didn't want to add all the oil all at once just so that I wasn't adding too much oil into the cake batter mix. And then I used my electric mixer to mix all the ingredients together. And I really like to use this especially on the stir mode and the whipped mode just so that, not the whipped mode, but the stir and then I think it's stir and whip. So I use those two to ensure that there's no lumps or pieces of batter in the cake mix. So like I said, now you see me just stirring my bowl just to ensure that I'm mixing all of the cake batter evenly. And after I felt like the cake mix was mixed well enough, I then used a little bit of vanilla extract just to help the flavor of the cupcakes. And after I added all of the vanilla extract into the batter, I then used my mixer to mix in the vanilla extract with the batter. After I was done mixing in the vanilla extract with my mixer, this is what the consistency of the batter looks like. It's nice and creamy, but it's not too thick and it's not too liquidy either. Once I get the batter to the consistency that I like it, I use my Pam spray before I put my cupcake liners into the cupcake oven. And once I have all of the liners in the cupcake oven, I then pour the batter into the liners. But I don't want to talk through this whole video, so I'm going to stop talking now. I'm going to let you guys watch me pour the cupcake batter into my liners. And then I'm going to show you guys how I made my chocolate icing from scratch. I make my homemade chocolate icing by combining Cool Whip, vanilla icing, and cocoa powder. And once all 3 ingredients are into the bowl, I mix it until it's the nice creamy consistency that I want my icing to be. And if I have to add more frosting or more Cool Whip, then I'll do that just so that my icing is the consistency that I want it to be at the end. And after I was done mixing in all 3 ingredients, this is what the chocolate icing looked like. It was nice and creamy, and it tasted really good too. And as you'll see here, I already started icing a few of the vanilla cupcakes already. And I made my vanilla icing by combining the Cool Whip and the regular vanilla icing. And y'all, this was actually really good when you combine the two. But for the remainder of this video, I'm going to let you guys just watch me icing the vanilla cupcakes. And then I'm going to let you guys watch me icing the chocolate cupcakes. And the cupcakes actually looked really good when they came out of the oven. Alright y'all, so after I was done with icing all the cupcakes, I did add sprinkles to a few of the cupcakes, not to all of them. And some of these cupcakes I did share with my mother because it was her birthday. And this is what the final result looked like, y'all. These cupcakes were so good and they look so delicious. I honestly love vanilla cupcakes, but the chocolate ones were also really good. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed yet and you made it to the end of this video, make sure to click that subscribe button so you can join the faith game, and also hit that post notification button that's right next to the subscription button so you can get alerted every time I post another video. But with that being said, I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye, faith game.